And now we will show you how to use these three machines to refurbish our iPhone 6 Plus. Let's start with the first step, to separate the cracked glass from LCD. The separate temperature on the hot plate, usually you can set up to 90 to 80 degrees, that is okay. No need to put too high. Too high it may damage the flex cable or the backlight, like something. Okay. And after this step, we will use the second function of this machine to do glue removal. And while you do the glue removal, you need to power off the temperature for the separation controller. And it is better to wait the hot plate until it is cool, because if the hot plate it still has the high temperature around 80 or 90 degrees, it will do damage to your backlight.
可以吧？等你来再说吧。可以，等你听。